Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show you about your Bolex, how to save lots of money on lenses and buying vintage lenses, and how you can get this 35mm lens, this Jupiter and others attached to your Bolex. So let's get started. So you just purchased your Bolex H-16 Reflex, and you found out that the lenses, the original Bolex lenses, are very expensive to go on the front of here on the turret. So how can you get around that and save lots of money at the same time and be very creative even? You know, actually it's very simple, fortunately, and inexpensive. The trick is to buy 35mm vintage lenses. I prefer the Jupiter lenses, the Helios as well, and some of the other Russian lenses. This one has an M39 mount back here. So what I have to do is I buy myself, of course I keep them in stock here, by the way. You want to support the channel, then do contact me about buying some of the adapters which we're showing here. There's one, it's a small metal ring. You can see it right there. I've already got it applied inside the other adapter, an M39 threaded adapter to an M42, which is this adapter, and the M42 is to the C mount on the back. Okay, so once I've screwed in the M39 to the M42 to C mount, all I have to do is apply this to the back of the Jupiter lens, just like so. Screw it tight in there. There you are. Look on my turret right here where the lens goes, and just screw that right in and apply it, just like so. Get it in there nice and snug. And it's done. I'm all set. I can go ahead and use this lens in anything that I wish to do. If I were to buy an original Bolex lens to go on here, such as this 135mm, I could spend in the excess of, let's say, $300 US at least. So this gives you an idea. You probably found out already that original Bolex lenses are very expensive. This method, you really don't need those Bolex lenses anymore. Also, when you buy these vintage lenses, all you have to do, if you're filming such as what I'm doing, experimental horror films, art films, or you just want to be creative, these are very artistic lenses. The Jupiters have lots of bokeh and flare. A lot of people don't go for that, but if you want to be artistic and creative, this is the Jupiter's the type of lens to use in that type of situation, including the other Russian lenses. But beyond that, if you want a crisp, clean lens, you can get a Canon, pretty much whatever you want. Just make sure you have the adapters to go on the back to C mount, and you're done. You've saved yourself a tremendous amount of money. The M39 ring adapter, you can check my page, as well as the M39. I do keep these in stock, and they're very inexpensive. Alright, so I hope this helps you. This should cut out any type of worry about the expensive lenses. Even the Jupiter here, I purchased this for about not even $40 US. So that should just tell you a lot. The savings, all that money I saved, it can go to things such as film for my movies. Alright, so you hope you enjoyed this and it helped you out. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. See ya.